Hantic Trader Review 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. If you're exploring trading platforms in 2025, Hantic Trader is a name you might have come across. But is it really worth your time and money? Let's dive into its features, pros, and cons to give you a clear picture. Most people get this wrong by thinking all trading platforms are the same. The surprising truth is that Hantic Trader focuses heavily on forex trading, with over 60 currency pairs available and competitive spreads for major pairs like Arust and Tupust. It also offers KEFs on indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, which makes it versatile for traders looking to diversify. The platform's pros are compelling. Hantic Trader provides a robust web platform and mobile app that are both intuitive and packed with features. You get real-time charts, technical indicators and customizable watch lists to track your preferred instruments. For those who rely on automation, the platform supports expert advisors for algorithmic trading. Hantic also provides educational resources and webinars, which are valuable for both beginners and experienced traders looking to sharpen their skills. However, there are some cons to consider. While Hantic Trader has strong security measures and FCB oversight, some users report that customer support can be slow during high traffic periods. The platform may also feel complex for beginners due to its range of trading tools and charts. Additionally, non-forex instruments like stocks and cryptocurrencies are somewhat limited compared to specialized platforms. So if that's your focus, you may need to supplement with another exchange. In conclusion, Hantic Trader in 2025 is a solid choice for forex and KEF traders who value a versatile platform with advanced tools. Beginners will benefit from the educational resources but should expect a learning curve. Experienced traders will appreciate the technical features and automation options. Overall, if your main goal is forex trading with the potential to explore KEFs, Hantic Trader is worth considering. Just be sure to understand the fee structure and account types before diving in.